When you're ready to start investing, one of the first things you need to decide is which type of investment account should you open. On one hand, you have taxable investment accounts, and on the other hand, you have tax-advantaged accounts. And while taxable investment accounts provide more flexibility, tax-advantaged accounts, they offer significant tax benefits. Now, with everything in life, there are pros and cons, right? And there are pros and cons to both of these types of accounts as well. Today, we're going to be breaking down the key differences between taxable and tax-advantaged investment accounts, which one might be better for you, and ultimately, why you might want to consider having both. I'd also like to thank Wealthfront for sponsoring today's video and allowing me to share their different types of taxable and tax-advantaged accounts with you. So if you're ready to get started, let's go. So for starters, what's the difference between these two types of investment accounts? When it comes down to it, guys, tax-advantaged accounts are typically retirement accounts, and taxable investment accounts are typically non-retirement accounts. You see, with a taxable investment account, anytime you sell an investment and experience a capital gain, or anytime you earn any dividends, a taxable event will occur. Now, unlike taxable investment accounts, retirement investment accounts are all tax-advantaged. And typically, the most common types of tax-advantaged accounts are IRAs and 401ks. Now, firstly, let's discuss why opening an IRA can be such a great idea. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account, and an IRA is a special investment account that allows you to save money for retirement while at the same time either deferring or completely eliminating your tax burden. Now, you can open up an IRA through a robo-advisor such as Wealthfront, a stock brokerage firm, a bank, or any of the above that offer those types of retirement accounts. Also keep in mind, guys, that you are allowed to own an IRA in addition to your workplace 401k. There are several types of different IRAs, each with its own advantages, so we'll narrow our focus down to the main two types, and that's a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. With the traditional IRA, contributions can be deducted on your taxes now, and earnings are not taxed until you withdraw your funds at retirement age. Yes, so that means your earnings will grow tax-free until you withdraw later on at retirement age. Now, you can contribute to a traditional IRA if you're under the age of 70 and a half. On the other hand, a Roth IRA differs from a traditional IRA in that contributions to your account are not tax deductible, but your withdrawals are tax-free later on in retirement. You see, in a Roth IRA, you make contributions with money you've already paid taxes on. This means that earnings on your account can grow tax-free. Additionally, unlike a traditional IRA, contributions you make to a Roth IRA account can be withdrawn at any time without incurring a penalty. Also, unlike a traditional IRA, you can continue contributing to your Roth IRA even if you're over age 70 and a half, as long as you're still earning an income. Now, personally, the reason I'm such a big fan of the Roth IRA for most long-term investors is because you not only get tax-free growth on your contributions, but you also get tax-free withdrawals later on in retirement age. In addition, with the Roth IRA, you can withdraw your contributions, not your gains, but your contributions at any time without penalty. You see, with a traditional IRA, you can't withdraw your contributions before age 59 and a half in the United States without facing early withdrawal penalties up to 10%. So that's a definite advantage of the Roth IRA. But regardless, whether you invest in a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, retirement savings can compound at a much faster rate with both of these account types compared to a regular taxable investment account. That's because it either completely defers or completely eliminates the tax burden. Whereas with a taxable investment account, you have to pay taxes on any time you experience any capital gains or you earn any dividends. Now, being a robo-advisor at their core, Wealthfront's IRAs can be a great option for investors who don't want to mess around with managing their portfolios over time. Based on modern portfolio theory, Wealthfront's algorithms build you a portfolio tailored to your own specific personal goals, your investment goals, and your personal risk tolerance. Now, their portfolios also automatically rebalance to keep your ideal asset allocation in place. Whether you want exposure to different asset classes like stocks and bonds, to asset classes like real estate and crypto, Wealthfront's IRAs offer both pre-built portfolios as well as allow you to customize your own. Now, if you want to open up an IRA with Wealthfront, it's a pretty simple process to get started. You simply have to create an account on the app. From there, you can choose to open up a new account. You can then see you can open up an investment or a banking account. If you want to choose investing, you would simply click on Get Started. From here, you could see a general investing account you can open. A general investing account, guys, is that taxable investment account. The second option is the retirement account. So if you select retirement here, Here's where you could see a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA or even a SEP IRA. Now a SEP IRA, guys, we didn't discuss that, but it's basically very similar to a traditional IRA, except it's for self-employed persons, but it does follow similar rules to the traditional IRA, and it just offers higher contribution limits. But let's just say for this example, I want to open up a Roth IRA. You would then select Roth IRA, and here you could again choose their classic or socially responsible portfolio. From there, you would just proceed further, and you would open up a new IRA with Wealthfront. It's that simple to get started to open up an IRA with Wealthfront. Again, guys, whether you open up a traditional or a Roth IRA, both of them are great not only for saving for retirement, but they also offer tax benefits now. And just to clarify, guys, if you want to have an investment account where you can have access to that money and withdraw your contributions and your gains at any time without any penalty, then that'll be a general investment account. That is a taxable account right here at the top. That one is different from a retirement account because you have access to your money and withdrawing it at any time. So that's kind of the benefit of having both a taxable general investment account as well as a retirement IRA. They kind of both give you the best of both worlds. Another option we didn't discuss is that Wealthfront also offers the ability to roll over an existing 401k into one of their IRAs. So you always have that option if you currently have a 401k at a workplace. If you ever leave that workplace in the future and you want to roll it over into your Wealthfront investment account, you can always have that option. Now, in terms of fees, whether you open up a taxable account or a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA at Wealthfront, each account type is charged a flat 0.25% annual advisory fee. Another thing to consider is if tax advantage accounts offer such significant tax savings over taxable investment accounts, why would anyone open up a taxable investment account, right? Well, there are actually good reasons to use both account types, as I mentioned before. While traditional IRAs offer tax deferral and Roth IRAs offer tax-free growth and withdrawals, taxable investment accounts, they offer the following advantages. Unlike IRAs, they allow you to access and withdraw your money at any time without any restrictions or penalties. Also, unlike IRAs, there are no limits to how much you can contribute each year. They're also ideal for growing money you plan to access before retirement age. So those are some of the pros and cons of taxable versus tax advantage investment accounts. Again, guys, you don't have to use one account or the other. Instead, you can use both different types of accounts to your advantage. Now, if you would like to open up a Wealthfront taxable or tax advantage account, you can actually get your first $5,000 managed completely for free on Wealthfront when joining through my special link down below in the video description. No matter which account type you open, whether it's a taxable or a tax advantage account, you'll be able to take advantage of all the app's robo-advisor features that they have to offer. Speaking of reducing your investment tax bill, if you haven't heard of Wealthfront's tax loss harvesting feature, I definitely recommend checking out this video right here where I break down how Wealthfront's automated algorithms can help you save on taxes even more. Because whether you're investing in things like crypto or even investing in stocks, this feature is definitely worth checking out on the Wealthfront app. So click on over and I'll see you in that video right there.